Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome to today's Clean With Me motivational video. You guys, this one is bad. This is probably the worst that we have encountered yet in my house. We are in my office and it is an absolute mess. So much so I don't really want to show you, but I'm going to show you. So you walk in, no joke. This is what we're dealing with, right? So we have just piles of stuff. Over here, I was doing like a little Instagram post. My desk, there's like little dog toys everywhere as well. And you guys, the cupboard, just things here. Look at that, and I just have like stuff that needs to be sorted out. Okay, so we'll start with the cupboards. I have a lot of things that I am selling, so the pile of clothes as well that you would have seen on the floor, that's to sell. So we can't get rid of that, but everything else we're gonna sort out. Putting a podcast on, this helps. If you want a tip, definitely put a podcast on. I would love to know if you guys have like a heap of designer like bags and stuff like this, what do you do with them? I don't know what to do. Like, there's no point in keeping them, I don't think. I might get rid of some. Like, it's not making sense to keep these items. This is a lot. And this is not even all of it. Oh my god. That's a cute box. I do like that. That can stay. But wow. This is heavy. What's in here? Oh my god, you guys. More boxes. Stop it. Hello, Nicole speaking. Hello?
Notification. This call is from Investigation Division of Australian Border Force.
I have had so many.
That the Australian Border Force has found and seized a parcel under.
I've had so many of those calls. time. There is so much stuff. And we have done it, but that was so long and overdue. So let me show you what a difference. So you walk in and you can actually see the floor. How amazing. Oh my God. Okay. So in the room itself, I have dog bed, a little stool thing, another dog bed because I have 2 dogs. This picture, just in case I get any questions, because sometimes I do, this is by an artist called Matt Pearson in Sydney. It is absolutely so stunning. Like, I can't even describe it. So my desk, those cords look very messy still, but what do? So even as you saw the drawers, so we've gone through and organized everything. Incredible. Okay, so on my desk I have makeup brushes, makeup mirror, then on this side just my computer, a bottle, a pen and paper, and a picture. The wardrobe. Okay. So up the top is still pretty much the same. I do have a lot of like keepsakes in those boxes. Then I just have 2 handbags and some more like designer bags behind that. But as you saw, I did get rid of a lot. This corner, I have my big tripod, some shipping boxes, and a vase that I'm selling. Here is just like jewelry, some books, and then we organized all of these so they look heaps better as well. Still a lot of things, but just a lot more neater. Here is just review stuff, and then I have items that I am selling there. And that is my finished office clean, declutter, organize with me. So I do hope you enjoyed this room, of course, as well. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments section down below. I would love to hear from you. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I hope everyone gets some motivation to go and clean and organize. And I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.